Imagine a garden bursting with vibrant blooms, yet requiring minimal effort to maintain. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. In today's video, we'll explore 15 low-maintenance perennials perfect for your 2025 garden. These plants are drought-tolerant, withstand high winds, need little water or fertility, require minimal pruning, and are resistant to pests and deer. Let's get started. Catmint, or Nepeta species. With its aromatic foliage and abundant lavender blue flowers, catmint thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. It's drought-tolerant and attracts pollinators, making it a delightful addition to any garden. Coneflower, or Echinacea purpurea. Known for its daisy-like flowers in vibrant hues, coneflower is a resilient perennial that tolerates drought and poor soil conditions. It's also a favorite among bees and butterflies. Russian sage, or Perovskia atriplycifolia. This hardy plant features silvery foliage and spires of blue-purple flowers. Russian sage is heat and drought-tolerant, requiring minimal care while providing long-lasting color. Sedum, also known as stonecrop, boasts fleshy leaves and star-shaped flowers. It's exceptionally drought-tolerant and thrives in poor soil, making it ideal for low-maintenance gardens. Black-eyed Susan, these cheerful yellow flowers with dark centers are drought-resistant and bloom profusely from summer to fall. They're also unappealing to deer, ensuring your garden remains vibrant. Yarrow produces clusters of tiny flowers in various colors and thrives in full sun with well-drained soil. It's heat and drought-tolerant, requiring little care once established. Lavender, also known as Lavandula angustifolia. Famous for its fragrant purple blooms, lavender prefers full sun and well-drained soil. It's drought-tolerant and requires minimal pruning, making it both beautiful and practical. Blanket flower, or Gaillardia species. With its vibrant red and yellow blooms, blanket flower thrives in full sun and is highly drought-tolerant. It blooms continuously throughout the summer with minimal care. Bearded iris, scientifically known as Iris germanica. Bearded iris offers stunning blooms in a variety of colors. It's drought-tolerant and requires little maintenance, making it a striking yet easy addition to your garden. Coreopsis, also known as tickseed, produces bright daisy-like flowers. It's drought-tolerant, thrives in poor soil, and requires minimal care, providing long-lasting color. Salvia features spiky blooms in shades of blue, purple, or pink. It's drought-tolerant, attracts pollinators, and requires minimal maintenance, making it a garden favorite. Daylilies are known for their trumpet-shaped flowers and tolerance to various conditions. They're drought-tolerant and require minimal care, blooming profusely throughout the season. Hellebore, also known as Lenten rose, blooms in early spring with nodding flowers. It's drought-tolerant, deer-resistant, and thrives in shade, making it versatile and low maintenance. Seathrift, this compact plant produces tufts of grass-like foliage topped with pink or white flowers. Seathrift is drought-tolerant and thrives in poor soil, requiring minimal care. Creeping thyme forms a dense mat of aromatic foliage with tiny flowers. It's drought-tolerant, requires minimal maintenance, and can be used as a ground cover or between stepping stones. Incorporating these resilient perennials into your garden will provide continuous blooms with minimal effort. Say goodbye to high-maintenance gardening and hello to a vibrant, easy-care landscape. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Don't forget to check out our other videos for additional ideas to enhance your garden.